Happy Halloween weekend. Getting ready to make some dessert shooters for a pumpkin carving party that I'm going to. So we needed Oreo cookies, Vienna fingers, dessert shooter cups. So we're gonna get started, and I actually already took the stuffing out of the Oreos so we can put them in the food processor and make graveyard dirt. Here we go. Okay, next is time to make the pudding, and I guess you can pick whatever kind you want, but I chose white chocolate. So I got these dessert cups at Party City. They are 2.3 ounce, which I think will be perfect. And we're gonna go ahead and fill these about halfway with the pudding. Next, we're gonna melt the chocolate chips and the butter, and I'm gonna prepare the Vienna fingers by scraping out the filling. I'm gonna pull out some parchment paper. Now you can use Vienna fingers or lady fingers, so basically you want it to look like a tombstone. This one broke, so. So the chocolate is melted and yummy, and now I am going to go ahead and coat the Vienna fingers. Put them on the parchment and just let them cool off. All right, now it's time to fill the graves with some dirt. What a great little treat. Here we go. So cute. Little dessert spoons.